Okay, guys, so we have Mondays, we are doing Tuesdays. Daily reading ready. Remember, it is the same passage. So it is the same passage, oceanographer. So I'm going to go ahead and read it again. An oceanographer is a scientist who studies oceans and the many creations that live in them. Oceanographers try to understand how the ocean and its creatures function together as an ecosystem. Education and required skills. Oceanographers must earn a bachelor's degree in a field of science such as biology or chemistry. It takes about 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree. In order for an oceanographer to teach other people, they have to go to another 4 years of school and earn a doctorate's degree in a science field. So, if you want to be an oceanographer, you better do well in math and science. You're going to need it. Job duties. An oceanographer may dive into the depths of the ocean to gather information. This may require taking samples of plants and animal specimens. Or species, sorry. Oceanographers document information they find while they are researching. Many oceanographers publish papers in scientific journals that inform readers about their discoveries. So remember, we have 3 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3. A paragraph starts where it is indented. So let's go ahead and look at the questions. What is the first thing a person has to do in order to become an oceanographer? So here is where we're going to find that, where it says education and required skills. That is where we are going to find what's the first thing. So let's go ahead and read that. It says an oceanographer must earn a bachelor's degree in a field of science, such as biology or chemistry. So I'm going to highlight that, because that's the first thing that you have to do. And I know that's the first thing, guys, is because it's at the very beginning of that paragraph. So that's telling me that that's the first thing. Study ecosystems. No, because it says you must earn a bachelor's degree in a field of science. Earn a bachelor's degree in a field in science, yes. But let's make sure we don't have any other choices. Earn a doctorate's degree in science field. No, that's the second thing you have to do. Dive deep into the ocean. No, so it is B, and I know that because it states it in the paragraph. The author included paragraph 1 mainly to show. So why do you think he wrote paragraph 1? So let's read back over it. An oceanographer is a scientist who studies oceans and the many creatures that live in them. Oceanographers try to understand how the ocean and its creatures function together as an ecosystem. Okay, so let's see why they wrote that. What plans a person needs to have to get an oceanographer degree? This is not talking about anything about them getting a degree. That oceanographers spend most of their time underwater. It says who studies oceans. It doesn't really say that they spend time underwater. So, I mean, we'll go to the next one. The definition of an oceanographer. Kind of, because it says an oceanographer is a scientist who studies oceans and the many. So that one could possibly be it. Why people become oceanographers. Does it talk about why they become? No. And then B, it doesn't really talk about them spending time underwater. So C, it's giving a definition because it says an oceanographer is a scientist who studies oceans and the many creatures that live in them. And then it says an oceanographer tries to understand. So it's giving us a definition and kind of not really what they do, but just kind of the definition of what an oceanographer is. Okay. Let's try to do the exit ticket. A synonym is a word that has the same or almost the same meaning of another word. List 2 synonyms for the word many. So I'm going to have you do this on your own because we have talked about synonyms. So synonyms is the same or almost the same meaning of another word. So what are 2 words that mean the same as many? Many.